Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on one-handed mode on your Samsung phone. But first, I want to mention that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I will show you my YouTube revenue statistics. So let's jump into it. First go to the settings. After that, scroll down to the advanced features and here you can see the one-handed mode. You have to click on that and it says that temporarily scale down the display size for easier control of your phone with just one hand. And if you click on that, I mean when you turn it on, this mode, here will appear two options to reduce display size with gesture, which means that swipe down in the center of the bottom edge of the screen, and the second one is button, which means that to double tap the home button. So you can choose between these two options. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please don't forget to subscribe. Have a beautiful sunny day. Bye bye.